I welcome you all to the TheCryptoSingh show, and my name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about Bitcoin, NFT, Metaverse, everything on this show every single day. What's happening with the Bitcoin pricing? Alts are getting rejected, and we see everything in the red. Well, exactly as we predicted. I did tell you in my last video. Go check my last video out, and I told you that I am towards the short side of the alts, not for the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has come down from 28,500 to 28, but the alts have actually come down, quite a lot. And I did tell you that I am slightly towards on a bearish side in alts, and I exactly told you about this, that it's overextended, and exactly as we did tell you. Now, what is happening now? What is the way for forward to this? Well, in my opinion, again, I've been telling you that look how difficult it is to break this 28,500. Bitcoin is being rejected every single time. Now, 30,000 is also a much bigger wall. Now, there's been a lot of hype going on in the market. It's not really hype, but Michael Saylor has been buying, and there's been a lot of buying in the Bitcoin, saying that Ethereum is flipping Bitcoin, which is a great sign for the market. So which everyone did predict that the Ethereum will flip Bitcoin, and eventually that's happening now, and we can see that. But the point is that Ethereum is again slightly more bullish than Bitcoin, and I think people are having more confidence in Ethereum. So we'll talk about that, but first let me talk about the Bitcoin cycle. So try and understand that 30,000 is again a strong wall that we have, and I did tell you that that is the wall, not from today's, from 2.5 years. So try and understand that 28,500 we've been rejecting every time is because closer we get to that wall, it's harder to break that wall, and it's also easier to break that wall is because you keep on knocking to that wall and that wall will break. But let me tell you, the first we got rejected was 26,500, we went down to, then 27, now we went to 28. So what we are doing is making a higher low. Now eventually this means that the consolidation is taking place near 28,500, which will give it fuel to reach to 30,000. Now that 30,000 is a wall which I don't think is going to break in the first time. Try and understand, when 28,500 could not break in the first time, 30,000 is a wall for 2.5 years. But you never know. You get another Elon Musk tweet and you might break that wall. But saying that, we also have to understand one thing, that what is happening is we are getting closer and closer to the last leg of the bear cycle, and after this starts the bull cycle. Now, how long can even a bear cycle last? It could go on for forever, but the history says that it is pretty much the end of it, and we always believe, or our predictions are always towards the fact or the the past history. So the past history says that we should end the bear cycle very soon. Now eventually this means that I've been telling you in a lot of my videos that this would be the last push down, and I've been saying that since the longest time. So we might get to 30,000 and then again a push down, and then again we accumulate and go up. That's what I think is going to happen, and that's what I've been saying. And I did tell you that also we're taking a slight short on. Now coming back to a very important topic, Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. Now, what's happening with Ethereum flipping Bitcoin? Now, what will this do to the market? Try and understand that in a bull market, you had Solana, you had Matic, you had everything. Everyone believed that all of these cryptocurrencies would take over Ethereum as, the solution to Ethereum. But eventually, that's not been possible, and we've all witnessed that. Now, what has that done is created a lot of confidence in people who were holding Ethereum or people who wanted to buy Ethereum. So this flipping had to happen because I think Ethereum, I've been saying since the longest time, is far ahead of all its competitors. Now, why do I say that? Because look, if Solana comes today, it's like saying there's a new road that's been built and one car is running on it. It will run according to its pace. But when you have 10 more cars coming to it, it would slow down a bit. When you have 100 more cars, now that is where it depends. So if you have few projects on Solana, you have maximum number of projects on Ethereum. So Matic was the second layer solution to Ethereum. Now, a lot of these things were based basically to in terms of hype that it would take on Ethereum and it would kill Ethereum. But I don't think there's been a Ethereum killer till now. In fact, Ethereum is killing everything else. It's actually flipping. So Ethereum is flipping Bitcoin, and that is what is happening. And that's an excellent sign in terms of the growth of the market. The kind of confidence that people have in Ethereum is really nice. And I think that Ethereum is this flipping would really take everyone by surprise. And for the Bitcoin pricing, this is what I think, that we should hit 30,000, come back, and that's what I think is going to happen, because we're very close to the end of a bear cycle, and I think very soon you would see within a month or two the bull cycle starting back again. So that's my prediction, and that's all for now. Thank you. If you're liking the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. That's the easiest thing that you can do. Thank you for watching the Crypto Singh show. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh. Take care. Bye bye.